Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ida and I do cleaning and organizing videos. Today's video is very exciting. We are going to have a tea party. It's gonna be a series. Every month we're gonna have one episode and we are going to test one different kind of tea. As you all know, we Eritreans, I came from East Africa, Eritrea. We do love tea and most of us do not leave the house before we sip a cup of tea. Most of us, like 90% of us, I can say. And this program is very exciting. I'm gonna share our culture and the other people's culture, and everything is all about tea. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. These are traditional tea. Also, this one is the collection of different kind of spices. This is cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves. We mix them and we make them as tea, and I'll show you how we do it. Okay guys, I'll show you our traditional teas. We use a lot of spices. The first spices I'm using is the cardamom. This one is a good tea spice. The next one is cinnamon. We do love cinnamon too. We just cut them in small pieces and mix them with the cardamom. The third spices is cloves. We do love cloves too. You can make a tea without other spices, but we do love it when it's mixed, three of them together. So I'm going to show you how we make it, how we mix and make it. Okay guys, in a bit I will show you how to mix the spices. Before that, I want to show you the chamomile tea. If you find an organic chamomile, this one is good for sleep and relaxation. So you can buy it from Amazon. I'll just let you know. Anyway, this is how I break my cinnamon small pieces and mix it with the cardamom and the cloves. When I mix them, I don't put them together because I use the cardamom for a rice or other things that I don't need the other spices, so I always put them separate, but I mix them in a small like jar like this, and then I break the cinnamon in like the same size with the cardamom, and then you have to boil it in the water until it's really boiled. And then what I do is I wait about 10 minutes until it gets like marinated, and then you can use it with a Lipton or other green teas or anything you like. I like to use a filtered water to make my teas, so that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'll show you how much I use, like a handful. You see, this amount is perfect, so you just boil it. I boiled the water, and then I let it sit for about 10 minutes, and now I'm gonna pour it on my cup. You can use honey or anything you like, or some people don't like any sugary stuff, so I put sugar on mine, and then I put a Lipton. I do love the black tea, that's what I'm using. So you know, you put it there about 5 minutes, and then you can enjoy it with your breakfast or any time. You know, we use it as a breakfast. So this is how we make our tea. The one I make, okay, the one I make with spices. Oh my gosh, I wish I can let you taste. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. Bye.